Away they go. Save our queen from the outside, singing victory down on the inside, and rushing up Don Ezekiel. Royal Academy is making ground by Darrell, and running in fifth, Victory Ranger, Winking Eye, Jade and Diamond running in seventh position. King's Dominion down on the inside, Storm Flag, Star of Manel by Darrell. In between runners, Lady Sorrow, Valentine Rose, and My Chic is the early trailer. Singing Victory by Hapaland, followed by Save Our Queen. Royal Academy running third, Dawn, Ezekiel, Winking Eye, Jade and Diamond running in six from the outside, making ground down on the inside is Star of Manel, racing towards the final turn. Singing Victory by some 3 lengths is Star of Manel is now running in second. Don Ezekiel, Royal Academy, King's Dominion down on the inside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Singing Victory followed by Star of Manel from the outside. Singing Victory, Star of Manel from the outside, but still singing Victory, Star of Manel, King's Dominion, My Ship. And for your Fentafecta number 11, Winking Eye.